if you're hearing this noise, chances are you have a bad bearing on either side. Usually it's this side that goes bad, but you can also see right here that it's a little bit darker brown. There's some evidence of rust. So I'm going to have to remove this whole assembly. I'll have to get in there to remove wires and such, but you can look that up on YouTube. Anyways, if you need to replace bearings, the 6003 2RS bearing is the one for the Ghost, and it might be that for other scooters as well. So you can look it up on YouTube, but if you hear that noise, you probably got a bearing failure.